this video I will work on a Subaru Impreza WRX. Before proceeding with the installation, I have to bring the car on my first level, and let's take a look on this beauty. Before proceeding with any installation, I do protect all surfaces. This is how I care about your car. Then I prepare everything which is required and then start disassembling the plastic door card. Carefully disconnect all wires and unscrew several bolts. Then there is an access to remove and trim plastic door card. Be careful with this. And don't forget to dismount the upper triangle with a speaker also. Then disconnect cables. And just take a look on the stock Subaru plastic door card. Just check the difference. It has just a portion of isolation, synthetic padding. We will remove it because later we will proceed with the installation, vibration damping and insulation. Let's clean everything before an installation. I do use isopropyl alcohol, so it removes all silicones, oil and the grease. Through the perimeter, I will use STP Bitoplast tape. This is a special tape that will avoid a contact from plastic to metal, plastic to plastic, and will save your door card. Unfortunately, in a Subaru they didn't put anything. Also, under all clip, I will install anti-noise tape to avoid any rattles of the plastic door card. As a next step, I will install vibration damping. This will help to prevent any rattles of the plastic door card because it's very light. So any coins, any rattles, any noises that are coming through this plastic door card will be stopped by vibration damping. And also I firmly roll it. As the next step on top of the vibration damping, I will install STP Bitoplast. In this case I will use 15mm version, there are other versions, and I will use just one sheet. In this case it would be enough. Just measure and carefully cut this material. While working with this STP Bitoplast, be very careful, it has very strong adhesion. So this material will try to catch all sound waves that are coming outside and let them disappear inside these closed cells. So let's see how it goes. The next step, I will use the same material. This is STP Diamond, to install it inside the door. I've already done previously this car, so I have a template. So I will use them to pre-cut the material and then just install it. Don't forget to degrease all metal surfaces, plastic components, because it's really important and mandatory to remove all silicones and degrease it. Once the cutting is done, it's ready to be mounted inside the door. After an installation with just manual installation, I properly and firmly roll it with a special longer roller, so I don't need to put my hands inside. This is a must-have step, and you should roll until these figures will disappear. On top of the vibration damping layer, I do install STP Sonora. This is a sandwich layer and it has 3 components inside. I use the same templates as it was, just you have to be careful to mirror them if you would like to apply from the left door to the right door. So having this layer, it will stop and block, so not only absorb, rather than absorb and block all sound waves that are coming outside. Additionally, it will create a proper acoustic enclosure while bringing you more bass, more sound, and just make your door more soundproofed. After all these steps, it's time to work with the outer layer. But before, you have to remove all wirings and also degrease the surface. It's not necessary to remove all this glue that it has, because it would be covered with the STP Diamond. And then you have to be very careful and just do it step by step. So do not forget to close all technical holes and do not forget to open all mounts for wirings. I do use a special hole cutter to create the proper holes for the wiring mounts. It looks good and it works as technically as it should be. So it's time to see the difference before and after. So as you can see, everything was firmly rolled. And now it's time to put the plastic door card back. As a last mile, I install anti-noise tape to prevent all squeaks. And thanks for watching. If you'd like to install a soundproofing, feel free to request it in YouTube or my Instagram, and see you in the next videos.